might heard of Made in China, but have you ever thought that without trading business and transportation system, it would be impossible to send the products to the world? As an important trading city and harbor city, Guangzhou has been shipping countless goods from China to the world for hundreds of years. However, with the development of the industry, some of the old factories and warehouses has been replaced by newer and more advanced ones. So, here is the problem. What would happen to those old factories and warehouses? Will they be abandoned and vanished forever? Well, today I'm going to take you to a place where you can find the answer. The place is located in Daganwei, Haizhu District, Guangzhou. The name of this place is Haizhu Creative Industrial Park, while its old name is Daganwei Warehouse. As you can tell from the name, this place used to be an industrial raw material warehouse, now has turned into a creative industrial park. Creative industrial parks are abandoned industrial structures like clothing factories, warehouses, wineries that has been repurposed into modern, multi-purpose creative space. In Chinese, the word for creative industrial park is 创意园. There are a lot of 创意园 in the whole China, especially in the industrially developed cities. The renovation team kept the original structures and style as much as possible, while adding modern elements. In this creative park, there are design company, photography base, coffee shop, and so on. You may know that e-commerce is very popular in China now. Literally, you can buy everything you need in your everyday life from the internet. Some well-known social media, online live streaming, and online shopping platforms are from China, such as TikTok, Alibaba, Temu, Shein, etc. This type of creative park can provide a good office environment and photo shooting place for the e-commerce and social media companies.
仔過嚟，過嚟過嚟過嚟，哇！你好，哇！你好肥啊！你哇！你走啦！
斗转星移，沧海桑田，日升月落，春去秋来。These old warehouses are the legacy from the older generation, where they used to work when they were young. After the city transformation, the warehouses has become the pleasuring place for younger generation to work. Of course, this place is just one of the thousands of creative parks in China. I will tour you around the other parks in my future video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. We will keep it going. Okay, that's all for today's video. I'm Mandy. I'll see you in my next video.